Today we're going to be talking about how to properly use a dryer. First off, you just want to load your dryer, and the proper way of really loading your dryer is once you put your laundry in, it's different from a washer. You don't want to pack it like a cannon. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure you have plenty of room for your linen to flop around, because the way things dry is by moving around and removing the moisture from the individual dryers themselves. As a matter of fact, you may want to break up your laundry between two different dryers, maybe the upper one and the lower one. The different way of determining the upper and lower is just the arrow that points up and down. That way, if you split your load up, the more you split it up, the better. So you have plenty of area for it to fluff around and it'll dry faster. Once you've got your laundry loaded and you've already picked up your card, same card that you use for your washer, you place the card in and then make your temperature selection. On this one, we're going to select low, and you press start and the dryer automatically starts drying for you, and it'll automatically count down. Now every time you swipe the card, that would be a charge of like 25 cents. Now just in case you go ahead and take a break, go outside, take a smoke, maybe go to the grocery store or something, and you come back and the dryer's done, the dryer has an automatic anti-wrinkle cycle. Anti-wrinkle will automatically start the dryer even if it's stopped and say for 10 or 15, 20 minutes. If you walk away and it's 30 minutes, it'll continue fluffing the dryer and the laundry probably every 60 seconds to 2 minutes to make sure your things don't wrinkle.